Hey, TikTok enthusiasts! Want to skyrocket your views and gain more followers? In today's video, we'll explore proven strategies to get more views on TikTok. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about the TikTok algorithm. Understanding how it works is crucial. TikTok prioritizes content based on user interactions, video information, and device settings. The more engaging your content, the more likely it is to be shown to a wider audience. Next up, create engaging content. Here are some tips. 1. Hook your audience. Start with a strong hook in the first 3 seconds. 2. Keep it snappy. Videos perform better. Aim for under 30 seconds. 3. Trendy themes. Participate in trending challenges or use popular sounds to increase visibility. Hashtags are your best friends on TikTok. Use relevant hashtags to categorize your content. Mix popular hashtags with niche ones to reach both large and targeted audiences. Don't overdo it. Around 3 to 5 effective hashtags are perfect. Timing is everything. Post when your target audience is most active. Generally, the best times are in the evenings and weekends. Experiment with posting times to see what works best for your audience. Engagement is key. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a community around your content. Encourage your viewers to like, share, and comment, as this boosts your video's visibility. Collaboration can expand your reach significantly. Partner with other creators to tap into their audience. Use duets or stitch features to create collaborative content that attracts more views. Lastly, analyze your performance. Use TikTok analytics to track what works and what doesn't. Look at which videos get the most views, likes, and shares, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Now you're ready to boost your TikTok views. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. Share your TikTok successes in the comments below. Until next time, happy TikToking! Thank you for watching.